Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best baby toddler wagon on the market. The Baby Trend Expedition LTE 2-in-1 Stroller Wagon in Desert Blue. This versatile stroller wagon is designed to bring convenience, comfort, and safety to families who love outdoor adventures and want a reliable way to transport their little ones and gear. The Baby Trend Expedition LTE is a unique 2-in-1 stroller wagon that easily converts from a push stroller to a pull wagon with a simple flip of the handle. This feature allows parents to switch between pushing their child comfortably or pulling the wagon along, making it ideal for parks, sidewalks, and various outdoor terrains. The pull handle flips up and down smoothly, giving you effortless control whether you want to push or pull. One of the standout features is its super large cargo space, which not only provides built-in seating for 2 kids but also has enough room for all the essentials you need for your outing. The seats come equipped with 3-point safety harness belts to keep children secure and comfortable during the ride. For sun protection, the wagon features an extra-large ratcheting canopy with extended visors, giving ample shade coverage to shield your kids from harmful rays. Parents will appreciate the ultimate storage solutions integrated into the design. The wagon includes a parent organizer with 2 cup holders, a center console with a mesh pocket for smaller items, and 2 child cup holders located outside the wagon. These thoughtful storage areas help keep drinks, snacks, and belongings within easy reach while you're on the move. Durability and maneuverability are also top priorities with the Expedition LTE. It is equipped with 9-inch rear wheels and durable 7-inch front wheels made of EVA material, designed to handle various surfaces. The brakes are large and easy to use, offering a secure stop when needed. This makes steering and controlling the wagon smooth, even on uneven or grassy terrain. When it comes to convenience, the wagon folds flat for easy storage and transportation. Whether you're loading it into your car trunk or putting it away at home, the compact fold makes it simple to manage without taking up much space. The frame is made of sturdy metal with 100% polyester fabric, ensuring the wagon is both robust and comfortable for your children. The parent handle is padded with foam for a comfortable grip during long walks or trips. In summary, the Baby Trend Expedition LTE 2-in-1 stroller wagon combines versatility, safety, ample storage, and durability into one great product. It's perfect for families looking for a stroller wagon that grows with their kids and keeps up with an active lifestyle. Whether pushing or pulling, the Expedition LTE offers a smooth ride, plenty of shade, and practical storage options to make your outings easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.